Good day everyone, my name is April Jean Sagod from Section Kelo. Section 14, Section 30 of Republic Act 6975 is hereby amended to read as follows. Section 30, General Qualifications Appointment. No person shall be appointed as officer or member of the PNP unless he or she possesses the following minimum qualifications. A. A citizen of the Philippines. B. A person of good moral conduct. C. Must have passed the psychiatric or psychological drugs and physical test to be administered by the PNP or by any NAPOCOM accredited government hospital for the purpose to determining physical and mental health. D. Must possess a formal baccalaureate degree from a recognized institution of learning. E. Must be eligible in accordance with the standards set by the Commission. F. Must not have been dishonorably discharged from military employment and decreased for cause from any civilian position in the government. G. Must not have been convicted by a final judgment of an offense of crime involving moral turpitude. H. Must at least 1 meter and 62 centimeters in height for male and 1 meter and 57 centimeters for female. I. Must not weight or more less than 5 kilograms from the standards weight corresponding to his or her height, age, and sex. I. For the new applicant, must not be less than 21 nor more than 30 years of age except in the last qualifications. Above enumerated qualifications shall continuing in character and absence of any one of them at any given time shall be a ground for separation or retirement from the service, provided that the PNP members who are already in the service upon the effectivity of this act shall be given at least 2 or more years to obtain the minimum educational qualifications and 1 year to satisfy the weight requirement. The purpose of determining compliance with the requirements on physical and mental health, as well as the non-use of prohibited drugs, the PNP by itself, through NAPOCOM accredited government hospital, shall conduct regular psychiatric, psychological, drugs, and physical tests, and randomly and without notice. After the lapse of the time period for the satisfaction of a specific requirements, current members of the PNP who will fail to satisfy any of the requirements enumerated under this section shall be separated from the service if they are below 50 years of age and have served in the government at least 20 years or retired. They are from the age of 50 and above and have served in the government at least 20 years without prejudice in either case to the payment of benefits they may be entitled to under existing law.